muscular and athletic. They tend to excel in bodybuilding and with relative strength exercise and are typically testosterone and growth hormone dominant. Mesomorphs also tend to have moderate to high sympathetic nervous system activity and have a tendency to have a moderate tolerance for carbohydrates. Typically, mesomorphs are interested in continuing to build muscle mass while maintaining a low body fat percentage and thriving at athletic performance. As a starting point, mesomorphs will do well with moderate intakes of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. As for their caloric needs, if they are a sedentary individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 10 to 12 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 12 to 14 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 16 to 18 if their primary objective is to gain weight. If they are a moderately active individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 12 to 14 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 14 to 16 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 18 to 20 if their primary objective is to gain weight. And if they are a very active individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 14 to 16 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 16 to 18 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 20 to 22 if their primary objective is to gain weight. However, these are just general recommendations and should be adjusted accordingly based on how their body responds.